Hey guys, a lot of people have messaged me and asked me, well, how do I go about getting my automatic car to start with a 5-speed harness? Well, I'm gonna show you right here how to go about that. It's 2 simple wires that need to get jumped. They're called the neutral safety switch for an automatic car switching over to 5-speed. The wires are actually missing in the 5-speed harness, so if you have a scratch connector that you can cannibalize and get the pin out way easier, that's what I did. I'm gonna show you right here. So at the kick panel, the right kick panel of the car, we have, I'm gonna put my flashlight here so everyone can see. We have this connector, which is called the IK2. I labeled it so I don't forget. And then this is called the IJ1. So from the IK2 connector, what we're looking for is pin number 23. 23 is gonna be actually counting this way and ends up being the 3rd connector from the bottom left here, which is actually pulled out because I'm gonna heat shrink it right now. I've soldered these 2 wires together. I've actually put it through the loom. Number 23 right next to the brown wire, right there where my tip of my finger is, right there. The other pin goes to number 6 of this connector, number 6 of the IJ1, which is going to be right from the count. You got to count from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have it going right here, which I actually had an extra pin. It's missing out of the 5-speed harness, and I put it in here, and I ran it through the loom, and I'm soldering it right here, and it's going to go into pin number 23 of this connector, IK2. Anyway, that's kind of it. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I start up the car in a second. The car did not start before. Automatic harness, had to use my power probe. I'll flip to that clip right here. Okay guys, what I got here is I'm about to hop in the car. The wires are soldered together. Let's see if the car starts. It should definitely start. Clutch does not need to be in because we're bypassing it. This is not a safe thing. I'm using this car for the track only. There you go. Car's cold, and we're gonna shut it off because I have some work to do in the engine. Have a great day, guys. Hope that video helps. Save me, subscribe, and check our other videos.